today's video where we're looking at Goodmans Wireless Hi-Fi Headphones, which are available from B&M. These are exclusive because B&M have licensed the trademark of Goodmans to put onto headphones made by them, or to be more exact, made by IHOP, who make these ones. And they may look similar because B&M have sold IHOP headphones like this before, but in a black colour, not silver, and they look exactly the same. But these ones have a longer battery. The original ones I think only lasted for about 3 hours, and they also have an SD card slot so you can put a micro SD in. So if we take a look on the back, so you can stream music via Bluetooth, built-in microphone, ion battery, cups and ears, foldable compact design, which the originals didn't. Actually, the original IHOP ones I had in black broke here. Micro SD slot and aux in. So without further ado, let's open the box up and have a look. And it has the original seal on it, like all our Goodmans stuff, but not Goodmans, is it? So let's get into here. Oh, they've got the sides are sealed. Good idea. So there's nothing else in the box. So we've got this as well at the top of part of the box. So what do I have inside? We have this booklet. Oh yeah, it's underneath here. But looking at the booklet, waste of time. This is what we want, and this is a piece of cardboard. So in here we'll have, open it up, looks like you put in a bag or something. So we'll have 5-pin micro 5-pin micro USB, I think, and a standard 2-ring. So let's have a look. So the turn and the bend inwards, so that's a good start, but they're still plastic again, and this is where they break easily here. And these are what look like metal, but they're plastic. That's some kind of metal. I don't know. It feels like metal, but it looks like plastic, but feels like metal. Probably sprayed. Yeah, these are exactly the same as the original ones. You can see the micro SD slot and the headphones. The microphone for the headphones. So it just got a piece of fabric inside covering the speakers. See if all these stretchy are exactly the same. Yep. And the wires, as you can see the wires sticking out from here. In the original one it was sealed, but on these ones you can actually see the plastic. And the name's on the side there. So yeah, I'm going to use these before I complete this video, and I'll tell you what they're like later on. So the headphones do connect as Goodmans Hi-Fi headphones. As you can see, IHOP speakers, and then here's a Goodmans. So halfway there. Just one more thing I'd like to point out is the micro SD slot seems to work fine with 32GB. 64 had a bit of a problem, and 128GB didn't seem to work at all. Maybe it's just my micro SD cards. But if I'm going to recommend, I would say a 32GB for these, and if you're trying to push it 64, anything more than that's a risk that they may not work. Right, well, I've had a look at the headphones, and the audio is a bit patchy to say the least. The high-end bass gets rather distorted. If you listen to some like older music, maybe less bass, they'll be fine. But once you get some bassy, it's just distortion. The level on them seems to be fair enough. The sound level. Maybe you could do a bit more volume. But yeah, for the price, $19.99, they're totally fine. But if you'd like a good pair, I would say get a set with metal, at least on the sides here. I would go for metal on here. These are going to break dead easy, like on my last pair iHips. It broke dead easy, so I think these would break again. Yeah. Would I recommend these? If you're looking for a cheap set of headphones, yes, but I would suggest getting something a bit more expensive, made of metal on the sides and not plastic like these, because they will break eventually, and it could be a waste of money, basically. So yeah, I agree. I would say get a more expensive pair if that's what you want. But these are fair enough. It's for the price. Yeah, they're totally fine. But I wouldn't recommend them. I'm 50-50 on them, and say you either want them or you don't. And it's up to you, basically. And if you like this video, please check back for more videos coming soon.